last class we have seen that lesson, no? Now you can turn the page number 59 around the world book. You see, tick the correct answers. Which of these industries is a small scale industry? Machine parts. Which of these industries is not classified on the basis of ownership? Agro-based. Which of these cities is called the cotton police of India? Mumbai. Which of these countries has the largest automobile industry in the world? The USA. Which of these waste from industries causes soil pollution? Fly ash. Fill in the blanks. Paper is manufactured from wood pulp. Manufacturing fish oil is an example of marine-based industries. Jamshedpur is an iron and steel producing center. The computer program are called software. Noise pollution is caused due to operating of heavy machines. Write two examples of each. Large-scale industries, iron and steel mill, textile mill, postal based industries, textiles, leather, center of IT industry in India, Bengaluru, Chennai, fishing grounds in Northeast Atlantic, Norway, Denmark, polluted, released into air, burning of coal, oil, refining. Give reasons for the following. Iron and steel industry is a heavy industry. You just turn the page number 53. It starts from 53 and ends in the page number 54. Okay, then we can read the answer. The iron and steel industry has played a major role in the growth and development of modern civilization. It is a heavy industry as it uses bulky raw materials such as iron ore and coal in large quantities, and its finished products are also heavy. Now we can see the second give reason. Bengaluru is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Come to the page number 55. In India, Bengaluru is the largest center of IT industry. Thus, it is known as the Silicon Valley of India. Then define manufacturing and industry. You just turn the page number 50, the starting of that page. In it, we can see the answer. The processing of raw materials into finished products such as cotton into that underlined words only the answers. Okay, the processing of raw materials into finished products is called manufacturing. One more time I am reading that answer. The processing of raw materials into finished products is called manufacturing. Then come to the next side. Right side. Any economic activity which is associated the production of goods is called an industry. Now we can see the second question. Classify industries on the basis of their size and ownership. You can come to the page number 51 for this answer. Cotton industries, small scale industries, large scale industries. Now we can see the third question. Distinguish between mineral based and forest based industries. Here you can see the answer. Mineral based industries. The mineral based industries obtain raw materials from rocks and minerals. Iron and steel, aluminum and cement are mineral based industries. Now you turn to the next page for forest based industries. Forest based industries. The forest based industries obtain raw materials from plants, paper, cardboard, rayon, flax, resin and furniture are forest based industries. Now Turn to the fourth question. What are the factors responsible for the establishment of an industry? The next page number 53. Availability of large area of level land, regular and assured supply of raw materials, cheap and adequate power supply, adequate supply of skilled laborers at reasonable wages, and efficient network of transport at reasonable rates, nearness to market for quick sale of manufactured goods. Then you come to the fifth question, page number 60. Name two countries which where iron and steel and cotton textile industries are well developed. Answer is USA, India. The sixth question. What are the factors that have led to the growth of shipbuilding industry since the Second World War? Name the three centers of shipbuilding in India. The answer is in the page number 56. The development of iron and steel industry and the availability of skilled laborers since the Second World War have led to the growth of shipbuilding industry. Then you come to this side. In India, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kochi. That's enough. That's only the answer. Now you can see the seventh question. Where are the commercial fishing grounds of the world located? Name two fishes caught in the Northeast Pacific region. The answer is here in the page number 56. Most of the commercial fishing grounds of the world are located in the cool, shallow waters of the temperature region in the northern hemisphere. Now you come to the page number 57. Salmon, halibut. Question number 8. Write two examples of highly polluting industries. What preventive measures can be taken to control industrial pollution? The answer is in the page number 58. Highly polluting industries are cement, iron. Then you come to the right side of the prevention. The industrial waste should be properly treated in waste treatment plants before they are discharged. More trees should be planted as trees reduce dust, smoke and other pollutants from the air. Dear children, you must mark the one words in your social book, the around the world book, and the answers you should write in your classwork. You must complete the classwork, okay? Because the next week you are going to write the test. So before that, you should complete the portions. Already I have sent the portions to you. Thank you children. God bless you all.